If you're looking for the best F150 bed covers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have BAK G2 Hard Tonneau cover F150. BAK G2 is made from aluminum, meaning it's durable and provides top-notch security. You can easily access your items from either side of the cover. You'll notice this cover has 4 sections and each of them lock to the rails as you close. With this, you can drive with some section open provided you clip them in place. The prop rods enable the G2 tonneau cover to stay upright when open. These props securely retract to hide from view when you close. Again, this feature ensures you enjoy limitless access to your cargoes. What's more, the dual-action tailgate seal allows you to open or close the tailgate without altering your cover position. The rubber bumper pads prevent the cover from scratching your truck window when it is open. You'll also notice this cover takes about 6 inches of the bed's front space when fully folded. Luckily, the BAK G2 unit has a 300-pound load-bearing capacity. It implies you can place a load on your hardtop provided you don't exceed its max load rating. Moving on to the next at number 2 with TruXedo Truxport 297,701 Ford F150 tonneau cover. Looking for the best F150 truck bed cover to protect your cargoes from weather elements, the TruXedo 297,701 model is perfect. This version features a thick leather material that's durable and immune to harsh weather conditions. So, it offers a cost-effective way to keep your cargo secure. It has a soft fold design that enables you to roll it up in a minute. There are built-in tension controls in the latching system to keep the cover tight while enhancing its looks. However, this TruXedo cover doesn't adjust automatically. The installation system is quick, and you can complete the process in less than 30 minutes. Besides, the setup needs no drilling or tools. The number 3 position is held by Tonno Pro 42305 Soft Folding Ford F150 Bed Cover. What separates the Tonno Pro brand from others out there is their special attention to attractiveness and durability. Luckily, this 42305 model comes at a low-end price, making it a decent option for those on a budget. With the aluminum frame and double-sided vinyl material, this unit can withstand long-term exposure to snow. Another significant aspect of this model is the ease of installation. Here, you can mount your Tonno Pro 42305 bed cover within 10 minutes. What takes effort and time during truck bed cover installation is the need for tools and drills. But the Pro 42305 manufacturer set your comfort in mind when designing a tool-free cover. Next at number 4 we have MaxMate Ford F150 Roll Up Truck Bed Cover. MaxMate soft roll bed covers are among the most versatile on our list. Luckily, this unit comes in different sizes, offering plenty of options for truck owners. So, whatever is your truck model, MaxMate has got you covered. This best F150 bed cover is made from 24-ounce weight vinyl with a dual coating to make it more durable. So, you won't bother about getting a replacement anytime soon. The 4 horizontal crossbars support the cover to stay flat, allowing you to roll up for easy access. You'll notice that the bows make the cover to roll quickly and prevent it from sagging. The MaxMate F150 bed cover comes with a wire-like latch that dangles around the tailgate center. Luckily, this version comes with a 10-year warranty, so you can use it with confidence, knowing you're covered. The number 5 position is held by Tyger Auto TGBC3 F1042 Soft Tri-Fold Ford F150 tonneau cover. Built for the Ford 6.5 bed, the Tyger TGBC3 F1042 deserves a good spot on our best F150 bed cover list. This tonneau cover has many similarities with the MaxMate version above. That includes heavy-duty 24-ounce vinyl, aluminum frames, and stainless steel clamps. In general, this model offers excellent protection with flexibility. The Tyger TGBC3 F1042 also comes with horizontal crossbars that allow the fabric to fold with ease. Again, the cover is factory assembled and easily clamps to your bed top. It takes less effort to fold or remove, yet the cover secures tight to your truck. Since it's made from high-grade vinyl, your equipment is safe from rain, snow, and wind. Again, the tri-fold design ensures you can roll the Tyger TGBC3 F1042 cover in part to accommodate larger items. The number 6 position is dominated by Goplus Truck Bed Cover. The design of this truck bed cover is stylish and practical. The tonneau cover can roll up easily. Plus, it is smooth and durable. This cover will not only protect your truck, but it will also protect the cargo inside it. It will protect it from rain and protect it from anyone wanting to steal your precious cargo when you are not around. The tonneau cover is made of Oxford cloth, which is durable. This means it will last for a long time. Plus, it also made of a hard aluminum alloy. This alloy provides a large capacity to cover your truck's cargo. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Goplus Roll Up 2009-2018 Ford Tonneau Cover. This roll-up tonneau cover offers a striking balance between price, durability, and versatility. The Goplus cover features soft, lightweight, and durable Oxford material that is resistant to deformation. So, it will secure, conceal, and protect your cargo. Underneath are durable iron rails that provide structural support to the fabrics. With this, you can place your favorite accessories on the cover. Besides, this cover model has sleek styling that looks fantastic on your truck. Installation is quick and easy and doesn't need any tool to secure the cover to the truck. The iron rails only need a little alignment, but you can install it in a few minutes. So, it's worth its place on our best F150 bed cover reviews. Finally, the number 8 position is dominated by RetraxPRO XR T80371 Ford 150 bed cover. This model is made from high-grade aluminum panels that makes it solid and reliable. Besides, it has a unique design with no joints, making it less likely for hard objects to block its movement. It means the XR T80371 works efficiently in any weather condition. Again, this unit comes with sealed ball bearings to reduce friction when it rolls. With the matte finish, the XR T80371 F150 cover will blend with your truck's finish, giving it a fresher look. Besides, this cover is sealed so that it will keep moisture out of your bed. This model doesn't sag when you load cargoes on top. The XR T80371 protrudes about 11 inches from the cab, offering 13 inches clearance underneath. So, it has enough space for your cargoes. Another outstanding feature of the XR T80371 unit is the integrated railings. These railings allow you to place a kayak or canoe on the bed top without positioning it directly on the cover. What's more, this model has a locking handle that enables you to lock the XR T80371 anywhere along the rail. Still, this ergonomic handle allows you to operate the unit with one hand, making it easy to use. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.